So I've been doing a lot of testing with TikTok lately, and I have to say I haven't seen a platform that allows you to grow a following, get views, get eyeballs, get traffic as quickly as TikTok. And so I wanted to show you guys kind of a 10,000 foot perspective of what I did, kind of the formula that I followed to generate these results on TikTok. And then at the end of this video, I want to give you the opportunity to watch me create a new TikTok account, grow it from scratch, and get leads and sales in as little as 7 days. So you can see right now I've got right around 8,000 followers. And I set up this account, I think it was back in May, don't quote me on that, of 2020. And I kind of messed around a little bit. You can see there's a few videos that were in the hundreds of thousands, other videos in the thousands and even tens of thousands. But it's crazy to see just even some of my lower view count videos that are newer right here still getting hundreds of views overnight. This specific video right here, I was able to upload, it was 13 hours ago, and it already has over 9,000 views, 9,500 views on this video. And the way that I did that is following a simple formula, showing proof, giving value, and then having a call to action. So this proof can be monetary proof, it could be a physical transformation, it could be any sort of transformation that's a representation of the product or program that you're promoting, just showing them the end result, giving social proof that the program works. And then you would give them a 10,000 foot perspective on how you obtain those results through the value portion of your video. And at the end, you just simply have a call to action. Hey, if you would like to learn more, go to this website that's, on this video. In this case, I've got this website here, or just simply go and manually type, whatever the website is.com in your browser window. And that generated quite a few sales for me. It also generated quite a few leads just over the past 3 days with one promotion. From the 11th to the 16th, I was able to generate 330 leads. So this works. It works really, really well. One day I got over 100 leads just in one single day. Let me see if I can find it here. Let me go to the actual 12th here of February. Let me scroll down to this specific promotion, and let me see if I can bring this up for you. It was right around 100 leads, if I remember correctly. So this one says 69 leads here. It might have been right there on the 11th. So let me go back here real quickly. We'll scroll down. I know it was between 80 and 100 leads. Quite a few leads in a short amount of time. So check it out. Yeah, 100 leads, 104 leads in one single day. This is from 100% free traffic using and leveraging TikTok. The only thing I wasn't doing is I wasn't tracking, using tracking links for these specific domains. So I can't show you proof that there was sales generated from these specific videos, but I did have some people reach out to me saying, hey, I came through your TikTok video. I want to buy XYZ product. So it works. This formula works. And, I do a lot of tutorials, teaching people YouTube. YouTube just takes more planning. It takes time with editing. There's more eyeballs on YouTube, more competition on YouTube. So it's harder to grow a YouTube channel here in this day and age. Where with TikTok, it's still fresh, it's still new, and you can grow very, very quickly. I went from right around, I believe, 6,000 followers to 8,700 followers overnight. So you can very easily get 2,000 subscribers, 2,000 followers to your TikTok account. So now that I've shown you kind of some results, I've shown you guys the script that I followed, which was showing people proof, then giving people value, a 10,000 foot perspective, and then giving people a call to action if they want to learn more that leads them down a sales funnel that looks something like this, right? A lot of you guys have seen this, some of you guys haven't. So through the domain that we send them to, it takes them to an opt-in page where we capture those names and email addresses here. And then often we might send people to a pre-sale page. In this case with TikTok, you don't need a pre-sale page because the pre-sale page is on the front. The pre-sale page is or a pre-sale video, in other words, on the pre-sale page, just pre-sells people on the product or service or program. Well, TikTok already does that up front because you're creating the pre-sale page before they even opt in, which is just the simple, TikTok video. In this case, this video here as an example. So you've got the pre-sale on the front end, which is also the traffic vehicle. You lead people to the opt-in page, then you can lead people straight to your affiliate link if you're promoting somebody else's product, or even your own sales page. So if you're doing, for example, solo ad traffic, email traffic, where people don't really know who you are, it's kind of blind traffic, then you definitely want to have a pre-sale page where you warm people up. But in this case with TikTok, it's just simply from your TikTok video to the opt-in page to your sales page. And then of course you have automated emails that follow up with people. Okay, so the idea here with TikTok is make sure that you're capturing of course, leads, and you're leveraging a sales funnel. I'm actually going to show you guys how to set this portion up in the 7-day challenge as well. So don't worry about that if you're confused. Okay, how am I going to set up my TikTok account? How am I going to set up my funnel? How am I going to structure my videos, which I kind of give you a script here, but I'm actually going to show you in detail over the shoulder how I do all of this stuff in the challenge. So now that I've got those two pieces covered, the next question is, well, how do I make my TikTok video go viral? Well, what you want to do is you can go to tiktokhashtags.com. You can type in your niche right here, click on search, and it's going to give you the hashtags that generate the most views. So in this case, make money, Bitcoin, make money from home, Forex, entrepreneur, work from home, success, affiliate marketing, investment are all the top 10 hashtags as it relates to make money online. So I would use any of these relevant hashtags inside of my videos. Now, again, if your video is not about Bitcoin though, you're not going to go ahead and include that hashtag in the video. So if your video is about generating income online, you can use this hashtag right here. You can use this one right here. You can use this one here. You can use the work from home. If it's about affiliate marketing. So as long as it's relevant, you want to make sure it's relevant. And then what you can do is manually start typing in hashtag ideas into TikTok, and it will give you how many views that hashtag is generated. So the higher the views, the more likely that you're going to get more views. So if we jump back over to here and we click on this video here, it's going to show all of my hashtags here. And each of these hashtags I made sure had at least 1 million views generated from that hashtag, and I would just simply add as many hashtags as I could as it relates to the video. Okay, so that's a huge part of making your video go viral, not just the video itself, but making sure that you have relevant hashtags and hashtags that have a high view volume. So again, you can use this tool right here, and you can look at all the view counts of each of these hashtags and make sure that you go with the hashtags that have the highest view counts, and you're likely to get more views on your video and have a higher chance of your videos going viral. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to do this in complete detail. I wish I would have documented kind of me building this TikTok channel from complete scratch, but we're going to start over. We're going to do a 7-day challenge. We're going to start with a brand new account, no influence, no videos. We're going to start posting videos on that. I'm going to show you everything in detail, how I go about structuring, posting the video, my thought process through the hashtag, market research, selecting a product. If you don't have, a product and you're doing affiliate marketing, if you do have a product, great. You'll be able to still follow this methodology. This works for any business out there, but we're going to show you how to build a business from complete scratch that generates leads and sales in the next 7 days. Hopefully, this is a challenge, by the way. This is a challenge I wanted to put on myself. So obviously there's no guarantee that it's going to happen in the next 7 days. I'm pretty confident that it will because you could take a TikTok account from 0 to even 10,000 followers in as little as 24 hours. And I was able to generate leads very, very quickly using and leveraging this account because TikTok is so new. So I'm confident that we could probably do the same thing here. So the date of when this class starts, this is going to be ongoing. I will be posting videos every single day during this 7-day challenge. showing you guys exactly what it is that I'm doing step by step. You're going to be able to log into a members area, and every single day I'm going to release a brand new video that you're going to be able to digest for, again, a full 7 days, where I'm going to show you exactly how I'm taking a brand new account, a brand new business from zero to generating leads and sales. So if you want to get access to that 7-day challenge, go ahead, click the link below, make your payment. We do have a 30-day return policy. So if you don't like it, that's completely fine. You can ask us for a 100% refund. So I'm sure that you're going to get a lot more value out of this than what you're paying for it. And this is available for a limited time. Once we close the doors on this, this offer will be off the table for good, and you will not be able to access this product again until I do the next class, which is, I'm not sure if I'm going to be doing the next class. So take advantage of it now. Click the link below, make your payment, and I look forward to seeing you inside of the challenge.